Sometimes we want to cover the license plate number in the picture we shot. We'll choose to add blur to the license plate, or add a mosaic to it. But none of them work as well as removing the numbers from the license plate part of the image directly. We're going to use a tool from AVC Labs. Just choose Photo Enhancer AI Online here. Then choose AI Remover. This is the free tool we use today. Just upload the picture to the program. First of all, you can adjust the picture to a suitable position for subsequent operations. Then drag the bar to adjust the brush size. Now just smear everything on the license plate. Click Remove. Now you can click this to see the comparison effect before and after processing. And if you are satisfied, click Export and it will be automatically saved to your computer. Thanks for watching. This software is completely free. If you want to try it, just search AVC Labs.